Welcome to our channel. If you need to understand Clipboard Access when using the FAFSA portal, follow this quick guide to manage copy and paste functions effectively. Step 1. Go to the official FAFSA website at studentaid.gov/FAFSA and sign in to your account using your FSA ID. Step 2. Understand that Clipboard Access refers to your ability to copy and paste information into FAFSA form fields, which can save time when entering data. Step 3. Most modern web browsers allow Clipboard Access by default. You can copy information from other documents using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Step 4. To paste information into FAFSA form fields, click inside the field and press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Step 5. Be aware that some sensitive fields in the FAFSA form may restrict pasting for security reasons, such as Social Security number or password fields. Step 6. If you encounter issues with Clipboard Access, check your browser settings. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and ensure Clipboard permissions are allowed. Step 7. For enhanced security, the FAFSA portal may prompt you to allow Clipboard access the first time you try to paste. Click Allow when prompted. Step 8. If Clipboard functionality isn't working, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache and cookies. Step 9. Manually type sensitive information like Social Security numbers rather than copying them from other sources to maintain security best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.